Good morning, Sheridan. Here's what I have going on for you today. Remember, there's no Zoom. We're just doing some independent work today. So the first thing you're going to do is finish copying your letter sentences from assignment number 26 into 29. I'll show you what that looks like. So in assignment number 26, you typed out your sentences with Miss Thompson for your letter. You want to copy and paste those into assignment number 29, which is our rough draft, and you already started to do that. An example letter is in blue below, so you can kind of see what it should look like. But copy and paste your sentences from the boxes in 26 into 29, and then go ahead and turn it in so I can look at your rough draft. If you have some extra time, you're going to start working on your Civil War packet, which is number 32. See, it says 32. And you don't have to do a lot of it, but maybe just get started. So you start with this map that shows you free states, which are green, so they don't have slavery, and then orange states, which are slave states. They do allow slavery. Okay, so perhaps let's work on this first box. And let's see, let me do this. I'm going to make this, do the map, and then these three boxes. Let's say that's your goal. I'm going to highlight these a different color so that let's make them yellow. Okay, so up to this map and then through the yellow. Let's try to accomplish that today. If you don't get it done, that's okay, but let's try. Okay, all right. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Please feel free to email if you have any questions.